Why are you so happy today?
Actually, I just get to know that OnePlus 8T are coming.
That great, Sam. But what do you know about it?
I know much about it. You might already know that T lineup of OnePlus is an annual upgrade to the number series.
Yeah.
Well, it starts with same 6.55-inch HD Plus display and a punch hole cutout. Strangely, OnePlus has decided to go with flat edges instead of curved display. But it will have a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which is an upgrade from 90 Hz.
Okay.
But things get more interesting if you look at the back of phone. It has 4 camera setup instead of 3, a 48 megapixel main sensor with 16 megapixel ultrawide. This is same as OnePlus 8, but 8T also has 5 megapixel macro and a depth sensor. Rumors also say that its camera module is now rectangle instead of vertical, and it's moving to left side of the device from center. So it looks very similar to S20 camera module.
What about the processor? That makes me more excited.
Looks like it's gonna come with Snapdragon 865, the same processor in OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. But some people are arguing that it should come with Snapdragon 865 Plus.
Okay, tell me about RAM and storage options.
It's likely to have 8GB RAM and 128GB storage in base variant, but it will go up to 256GB internal.
Is McLaren Edition happening this time?
No, they have ended partnership with McLaren, but we can still see some special editions definitely.
Well, I think that this is a minor update from OnePlus.
Yeah, I know it's not as much of an upgrade as it should be, but still it's AT lineup. The top notch of what OnePlus has to offer. And it will be a major update for people who just stick with T lineup.
Looks like it's a mature technology, the updates won't be as significant as they were used to be.
Of course, most of the things we do on our smartphones, we can already do with existing ones. The upgrades are for 1 or 2 new features that couldn't be possible before. And if you realize, this is 2020, people are tight on budget, so OnePlus' strategy is to place them as a premium mid-ranger, cause it's what works in 2020.
Anyway, let's see when it hits the market.
Definitely.